everyone, this is Maria, and today I'm going to be working on my Halloween wreath. I'm going to be going with a Nightmare Before Christmas theme. This wreath is going to be for our front door, and so we are decorating our porch with Nightmare Before Christmas. This is my wreath that I'm going to be using. It's a wired tinsel wreath that I purchased at Lowe's. It's covered in black tinsel, and it has all of these really pretty purple bats. This was only $14.99 at Lowe's. I think it was really worth it. I don't have to hassle with anything like spray painting a wreath or putting moss on it or anything like that, you guys. I just really like it. So let me show you the plushies that I'm going to put on it. So at Walgreens, I found these adorable plushes, you guys. These are so cute. I think I only paid $3.99 or $4.99 for these. This is the Oogie Boogie. So cute. Look at the stitches on the side. That's why I don't want to put any hot glue on them, you guys. They're so adorable. And Sweet Sally and Jack. Arf, arf. And Zero. He's so cute. And here we have the mayor of Halloween Town. I really love him. And he comes with a clip. So you could actually put this like on a backpack, on a purse, on a belt loop, on a jacket. And this Jack Skellington is actually a pet toy. I paid $5.99 for him. I liked the size, and right away I knew he was going to be perfect for this wreath. Also, to decorate this wreath, I thought I used these Nightmare Before Christmas playing cards that I purchased at Disneyland. So to attach everything to this wreath, I will be using some floral wire and some wire cutters. And if I decide to use the playing cards, I'll be attaching them with some hot glue, and I'll be using this glue gun. So here's the wire that I'm going to be using, the florist wire, and I purchased this at Joann's a while back. It was only a few dollars, you guys, and I always use my coupons. So I'm just going to snip off just a length, and so because I'm going to be twisting it, and so it could be a little longer than what you need, and you can always trim it. So I have all my wires cut out. Oh, I am gonna clip this off, you guys. Just gonna take that off. And I think I am going to cut these off too. I have all of the tags removed, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to put Jack Skellington up here at the top, this larger one, and I'm going to take the wire. And so I'm just going to put this around his neck, so you won't be able to see it at all. Turn it around, and I'm just going to twist the wire. And this is what I'll be using to attach to the wreath. And so I'm just going to twist it a little bit. There we go. And so then I'm just going to attach this because there are some wires under here, under the tinsel. And so you could feel it very easily. Let me show you on the other side. You can see the wire. It's actually plastic. And so let's go ahead and attach Jack to the top right here because I want Jack to hang down just a little bit. Just going to poke this right through. It goes right through really easy, you guys. So it's on the other side. And just going to do the same with this one. Yeah, I didn't want that too high up. Let's see. Let's see what it looks like. So I'm going to turn this around, and I'm just going to do the same thing. I'm just going to wrap the wire around, sort of twist it. Pulled on that just a little bit. So you don't have to knot it or anything like that. It's just wire. And so if you decide to remove anything, like if you put plush on wreath, which I have before, I did a Christmas one with Mickey and Minnie, and I glued those down. And so, but sometimes you don't want to do that. You can always use the wire. And here's my wire cutters. Just going to, not going to trim all the way to the bottom, just right there. And let's flip this around. So now we have our, sort of our focal point there. And so I'm just going to take the wires and I'm going to wrap it around Jack's head, kind of in the center there. That's pretty easy, you guys. And then I'll go ahead and do the same with Sally, and then I'll attach them. Now here's Sally. I've got to move her hair out of the way. There we go. This is super easy, you guys. And so there's Zero's pink collar. So I just want to go up a little higher. And there we go. Zero is so cute. And then we have Oogie Boogie. like Oogie. I love all the characters in Nightmare. Just love them all. I would love to see it on the big screen again. Joey and I have been going to see the classic films at our local theater. I would love to see Nightmare again on the big screen. With this one, we're going to have to go right under the hat. And so let's go ahead and twist that. Super simple, guys. Okay, so let's go ahead and attach them now. Okay, so let me go ahead and pull the wires. Yeah, I like him there much better. So let's go ahead and flip this over. And I'm just going to wrap this around, just like that. Okay. And then I'm just going to clip. There we go. Okay, so I want Sally right there. And I just wanted to show you guys that there's like this gaping hole here. So you do have to make sure you go around the frame. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and do the others and I'll be right back. And everything is secure. And now is a good time for you to decide if you like where everything is positioned. So here is my Nightmare Before Christmas Halloween wreath for 2018. And I did include the playing cards. But you guys, I kind of thought it might look a little too busy. So I went ahead and asked a few people for their input. I texted them the pictures. Thank goodness for these phones, right? And so I got some responses, and I know everybody's busy. It's a weekday and people are at work, but I did hear from a few. And so they preferred it without the playing cards. So let me go ahead and remove the cards, and you guys let me know what you think, because I can always glue them on afterwards. And so, but I didn't want to glue them on yet. So let's go ahead and remove them. And then you guys let me know what you think. So here it is with the playing cards, the plushes and the playing cards. Okay, so I just got another vote in, you guys. My son's girlfriend said she likes it either way. And so let's go ahead and remove them. So there's the wreath on our front door. It looks really cute, you guys. I like the way it looks. And so, but anyways, let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Should I put the cards on there or should I leave it without? Thanks for watching, everyone. Bye-bye. Happy Halloween.